My hair was stuck at this particular length for so many years until I learned how to tangle it properly and I could grow my hair to this. So detangling is one of the most important skills you need to retain length in your hair journey and grow your hair to your desired length. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step, it's a tutorial, how I detangle my hair to retain length. Before we dive into the video, I want to take a few seconds to thank those of you who subscribe to my channel already. I'm so touched. Thank you so much. And if you're new on this channel, you are welcome. Now let's dive into the tutorial. Alright, so first thing is to make sure my nails are smooth such that it's easy for me to go through my hair without pulling with my fingernails or breaking. Next, I part my hair into 4 sections as you see, and then I work just with one section. I used a leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair. It's good to moisturize your hair so that your hair is manageable, it is softer, it's not brittle and dry, because brittle or dry hair is prone to splitting and breaking. So I apply the leave-in conditioner all over, especially at the ends, because those are the parts that are the most fragile. The ends are the oldest part of our hair and they are weaker, so it's easier for the ends to break. That's why I apply the product very well on the ends all over the hair. Next, I seal the moisture with an oil. This oil is coconut oil. My hair loves coconut oil. I usually use avocado oil too, but this time around I prefer to use coconut oil. And as you can see, I'm going through the hair, working on it to see that the moisture touches almost every strand of my hair before I start using a comb. Okay, here I divide this section again. I still partition it because I find it easier, since my hair is very thick, for me to work in smaller sections. And then I first finger detangle, as you see me doing. I go through with my fingers to remove all the knots that are in the hair. It's very important to finger detangle before going through with a comb. As you can see, this part of it is really a hard knot. If you use a comb with this kind of knots, you will just break your hair. So you need to be patient, finger detangled, and then you use the comb. Okay, this comb is a white tooth comb, as you can see. I don't use those smaller combs. They will just snap and break the hair. They will pull on your hair and break it. So it's preferable to use a white tooth comb. It's okay. And then I start working from the ends of my hair. As you can see, I work through the ends first, detangle the ends properly before I continue going upward. And as I progress, I do it with a lot of care. This part is very, very important. It is very important that you detangle your hair with patience, with love, so that you don't break the hair. It is something that I wasn't doing before I started this hair journey. My hair was stuck at just one particular length because I would just gather everything and start going through and ripping through my hair. I wasn't finger detangling. I didn't know about finger detangling my hair. Whenever I made the knots, I just forced through, and usually the whole floor was full of hair after detangling. So with these steps, if you follow these steps, detangle properly, good. Take a look at this.
as I detangle from the roots, you see there's a knot. The comb, it will be difficult for the comb to pass. As you can see, it is tight. Don't force it, just go back to the end, start detangling from the ends, gradually going up, and then the comb will be able to go through smoothly. Don't use force on your hair, please. Your hair needs to be pampered. That's something I learned on this hair journey. Be patient with your hair, understand how to manipulate it, and if you detangle like this, then you are going to experience less breakage, if not nothing. See how the comb now glides through the hair. Good. And I didn't lose much hair. After this. So this part I will just wrap it and then walk through the other sections of the hair. Now what you are going to notice is that on this other section I still partition it. I don't think that it is too much for me to handle, so I divide it again and I repeat the same process. I just fast forwarded this video, please, to save your time and your energy, because I'm doing the same thing, so I just go through it faster. But I start from the ends and then walk up gradually to the roots. After that, I braid this part of the hair that I've already detangled.
That is how I detangle my hair, and I guarantee you, if you follow these steps in your detangling process, you will reduce the breakage a lot and you are going to see great results on your hair care journey.